Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make churros step by step, updated. Preheat oil to 350 degrees F and prepare a pastry bag with a star tip. Start by heating water, butter, and salt, then stir in flour off the heat to form a smooth dough. Beat in eggs one at a time until glossy. Pipe strips, fry until golden, and toss in cinnamon sugar. Gather ingredients and measure precisely before you start to streamline frying and coating. Bring water, butter, sugar, and salt to a boil, then remove from heat and stir in flour until a ball forms. Let the dough cool slightly, then beat in eggs one at a time until smooth. Transfer to a pastry bag and heat oil to 350 degrees F for frying. Keep cinnamon sugar nearby for coating. Work carefully and confidently at the fryer to maintain even temperature and texture. Pipe churros into hot oil using consistent pressure to make even pieces, and monitor oil so it stays at 350 degrees F. Turn the churros to brown both sides evenly, about 2 to 3 minutes per side, then remove to drain. Toss warm churros in cinnamon sugar and serve immediately with.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.